Hey guys, it's Yulia from bootstrapfashion.com. I want to introduce our fashion design app. It's a pretty nifty little app that allows you to preview design ideas before you actually go ahead and purchase your fabrics as well as your patterns. Lately, there was a real great trend of kind of the mixing of the prints, floral stripes, and other textures. So that's what I'd like to experiment with today. You can look at it, you can find inspiration online, you can use our resources, as well as many other different great sites and fabric stores. I'm looking for a fit and flare style that has a defined waist and waistband, as well as a nice full skirt. And I found one right here. So I'm going to go to my fabrics. I'll look at my fabric stash to see what I have available, as well as the community fabrics. And since we're pretty new, so there are not a lot of community options yet. And that's what we're counting on you guys. Now, if you go to main menu, you can actually click on upload fabric, because I'm looking for a stripe kind of a fabric that I found to mix with florals. So I found one really nice one on mood.com, and you can use any fabric store you want. Basically, just right click on the fabric that you like and save it to your hard drive. You can also copy the link, as well as copy the name of the fabric that you like. This way it's easier for you to access, as well as it becomes available to other people as well, so they can buy the same kind of fabric. It's very easy because you could just copy and paste it into the appropriate fields inside of Wiz, and select the fabric, upload it from your laptop or your computer, your hard drive. And as you could see, it uploaded really huge. This is why you could use the slider to visually create a scale proportionate to the actual visual look and feel of the fabric relative to the body. And it doesn't have to be 100%, it just has to be close enough. Now, next thing I want to do is to check out another fabric, the floral print, to add to my stash. So I right-clicked it, saved it to my hard drive, and then I'm going to upload it to the Wiz. I copy and paste the name and the link, so myself and others can actually have it available in their designs, and I am going to be done. Now you could see that it actually scales up or down. It all depends on how you would like it to be, or how you think it's going to be relative to the body. And you could see that this is a ruler, and the size of the flowers, and it's approximately the same relative to the size of the body. So you save it to your stash, make it available to the community, and you're done. So next thing is for you to try and actually play around with the fabric and mixing all different elements together. So anything goes, just click around, mix as many fabrics as you want. You really get a sense of how the design is going to look and how adventurous you want to go, just by really trying things out. And don't be safe. That's how you learn and expand your creativity. Now, if you notice, there is a little link on the top upper corner toward the right that shows a swatch and a shopping cart. This is actually the link to the fabric is being used. If you click, it will take you to the actual store. Look at a product that you can purchase this fabric for yourself. So click around, have fun, design whatever you like. And you can also rotate the fabric to create a little bit more of a seamless look to it, because most of the time you will get the fabric without the proper seamless setup. By rotating, it actually helps to visually smooth the lines. Now, after you save the design to your account, you can go ahead and purchase the pattern. Of course, please make sure to set up your account with all the measurements, so you don't have to do this over and over again.